Hey, good afternoon again, Miss Wanda. How you doing? Courtney Richardson here again. Tameron, Honda, and Hoover just received another online inquiry that you submitted with our website for that beautiful Honda Accord. Now, I've been doing my best to reach out to you to see when I can invite you in to check out this vehicle in person. It seems like you are still in the market looking for a Honda, and I still do have that product here. Right here in the heart of Birmingham, Hoover, Alabama. I want to show you a couple of the few standard features that you will get on this model. So here on the inside, where you will be spending the majority of your time, you do pick up that Honda Sensing package, now standard, which gives you all of that hands-free access for your adaptive cruise, lane keep assist, the road departure mitigation, forward collision braking, dual climate control air zones, ton of space, just reverse camera now, standard, no more hubcaps. You get your daytime running LED lights. Just a great vehicle. And again, I'd love to set some time up for you to come by, get behind the wheel, and experience this vehicle for yourself. So Ms. Wanda, again, Courtney here at Tameron. We both are from Pleasant Grove, so reach out to me. 205-261-8732. Let me know what day and time will work best for you. Again, cannot wait to hear from you, but I do guarantee that when you make it in to see me, you're absolutely going to love the way you treat me.